Hi guys! Today I've got a cupcake tower stand that we can make lots of cupcakes from. It comes from Play-Doh Sweet Shoppe. And here to help me is Mickey Mouse, George, Peppa Pig, Minion and baby Elmo. In the box, Play-Doh Plus, and in total there's 5 cans of Play-Doh, and it's not to be eaten. There's a cupcake shape mold, and there is an extruder to put the frosting on top of the cupcake. We're making the cupcakes today so Peppa Pig can have a beautiful tea party with all her friends. Let's open the box and see what's inside. As you can see, there's 5 Play-Doh tubs, lots of molds that build up to a tower, and there's the cupcake mold. Okay, now let's build the tower up. The molds are on each level. We can make a giraffe, a bear, a turtle, a butterfly, another teddy bear, a star, a dinosaur, shell, an elephant, a dog. We can make a donut and a wafer biscuit, or even a bow and a dog. I'll just get some pink coloured Play-Doh and make a star. And I'll make a pink heart and a pink butterfly. And I'm going to make a pink flower too. Now I'm going to get some brown Play-Doh. I want to make a wafer biscuit. We can make this a chocolate donut. And just fix the sides like this, just to make it nice and tidy. And I'll just make a few more now. And here they all are. Now, Mickey Mouse, what type of cupcake would you like? Okay, so you want a blue and an orange, yes, and a pink and more blue on top cupcake with yellow frosting. Yes, I can put a blue bow on top as well. I'll put some frosting on the top for you too. Okay, George, it's now your turn. What type of cupcake would you like? Oh, I see. You want a blue, orange, purple, and pink striped cupcake. Okay, I can do that. And you want yellow frosting with a big chocolate donut right on top. Okay, it's coming up now. Now, Peppa Pig, it's your turn. What type of cupcake would you like? Oh, you want an all pink cupcake. with a wafer and a teddy bear and a star and a butterfly and a heart. Well, that sounds great. Let me get started on that one too. Here's your cupcake, Peppa. Now, Minion, what type of cupcake would you like? Oh, you'd like an all-chocolate cupcake with yellow frosting, and you want 3 blue shells and a turtle on top. Okay, coming up now. Here you go, Minion. It's all ready. And now, baby Elmo, what would you like? Oh, I see. You'd like a blue cupcake with all different colours on top and a wafer biscuit with a pink star. That sounds great, Elmo. Elmo, here's your cupcake. Okay, Peppa and everyone, you've all got cupcakes, and now it's time to have fun at your tea party. Click on the link at the end of the video to see what Peppa Pig and all her friends get up to at the tea party, and to see more videos on Disney Rainbow Toys. Have a lovely day and see you next time.